Today I'm going to show you how to put on our patent pending headband wig. I'm Allison, I'm the founder of Encelia Hair, and I have designed and manufactured this wig. It is a very easy wig to put on. If you're new to wigs, I could see how it could be confusing. So I wanted to break down the wig real quick for you. First of all, the back of the wig has the seam, and so it is 1/2 inch at the back, and that's where the back is going to sit. So the center back of your head, that's where you want this to be positioned. And you know it's an Encelia headband wig because our logo is included. And just so you guys know, this is an outline of someone wearing the headband wig. So this is the headband here, and then you come around, there's the cheeks, and there's the chin. And this is our patent pending headband wig. So the hairpiece is connected to the headband. So the base headband is very stretchy, and there's some special stuff going on inside the headband, but it basically cups the head perfectly, so you don't need to use tape, glue, or adhesive or anything to get this wig to stay on, and you can do any sort of activities. So again, this is the back of the wig, and then the top of the wig, when you look on the inside, you're going to see sort of an oval shape. That's going to be the top of the wig, and then you'll have the sides and the back. So to put this piece on, it's really simple. I just grab the sides like this, and then you just plop it on like so. Now, if you don't have any hair like me, you're probably gonna wanna wear it over your ears like so, because you don't have any hair, these hairs here. If you have hair, what you can do is actually flip the base headband in half and pull your own hair forward and sort of have that fringe in the front, which is really nice, and you're super lucky. For the rest of us, I would recommend wearing it over your ears, and then if you want to be able to hear, like you don't want anything really covering sound, I just take the sides and I just flip it like so. And so sometimes that's how I'll wear it. But if I'm looking for like max security, I wear it over my ears and I make sure it's flat because it's gonna cup the head here. Now, positioning the front of it, I like to position it either where my lace front sits or just before where my lace front sits. So my lace front sits 3 fingers from the center arch of my eyebrow. So this is the arch of my eyebrow. So I'm gonna take my 3 fingers, and this is where, at the top of this finger, that's where I want my lace front to sit. And so I'm either gonna position it 1 finger before that or have it sit there. So I'm gonna actually push it back just a little bit today. And that's where you want it to sit. It's not too far forward, it's not too far back. Just like the same position you would have for your lace fronts. And then for those of you that want it a little bit before, you just pull it a little bit forward, like 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch before where your lace front would sit, which is typically about 1 finger. So from there, the base is 100% hand tied on all the different hair types. So you can style this however you want. You can do top knots, braids, you can wear it down, you can wear it up. Any look you're going for, you can achieve with this headband wig. I am wearing the medium brown in the Remedy Human Hair. 3 hair types. There's Remedy Human Hair, a luxury synthetic, which is identical to European human hair in the form of a synthetic. It's pretty amazing. And then there's a heat-friendly synthetic option. 2 headbands for you to layer on top. There's a black, and there's a light gray. So I'm gonna show you how to put those on right now. Now you can wear any headband on top of this piece that you want. So if you have a brand or a headband that you love, you can easily wear it on top. These headbands are about 3 inches wide. So the base headband is a little bit wider than 2 inches. So the layered headband should be a little bit bigger, but you can wear it with smaller headbands, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a second. So for this headband, what I'm gonna do is just place it on top. So I designed these so they're just 1/4 of an inch larger on each side. And so you could just plop it on, and then you can easily change the look. And so the base headband's totally flat right now, and I just put it on top. The other way to wear this, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna flip the base headband in half. And I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna place this so it's not touching my ears. I'm having one of those days where I just don't want anything touching my ears. And this layered headband is 100% cotton, it's very stretchy, and it's super comfy. So if you're having, like, you just don't want anything cupping your ears, you're having one of those days, this is great. A great option for you. So I'm just gonna place it on top like so, and there you go. There's sort of a different sort of look. If I wanted this one to be smaller, what you can do is flip it in half. Just fold this like so. So I'm just gonna fold the layered headband in half, and I'm gonna position this on top. I just don't want the headband to be as wide. I'm just gonna tuck the base headband underneath it. And that's how you get a thinner headband look. There you guys go. That's two ways to wear the layered headbands. And then I wanted to just show you how to use a very small headband. So this is a 1-inch headband. And so if you wanted to do this look, you can still pull it off as well. And let me show you how. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna flip the base headband in half, like so. And again, it cups the head because of the way the headband was designed and made. There's some patent pending stuff going on inside this headband. It's not just a regular headband. And so I'm just gonna position this forward. So I want it to sit, I want the wig to sit where I would normally have it sit. I'm gonna position it a little bit forward, and then I'm just gonna place this on top. The layered headbands are included with your headband wig. Have a seam in the middle, so the transition from the headband to hair is totally flat, and so it looks very realistic. And that's how you would wear a thin 1-inch headband. And that's how you put on the Encelia headband wig. If you guys have questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. But I hope you love this wig as much as I do. It's definitely helped me in so many different ways. And I'll talk to you guys soon.